As a homeowner in Redmond, you're no stranger to the challenges of maintaining your home, especially with the city's seasonal weather changes. Windows play an essential role in keeping your home comfortable, energy efficient, and aesthetically appealing. Over time, however, windows can start to wear out, becoming less effective at performing these functions. If you've noticed any of the signs mentioned below, it may be time to consider window replacement for your Redmond home. In this article, we'll explore the key signs that indicate your windows may need to be replaced, and why upgrading your windows can improve both the comfort and value of your home. Drafts and temperature fluctuations. One of the most obvious signs that your windows need replacing is if you're experiencing drafts or temperature fluctuations inside your home. If your windows are old or damaged, they may no longer seal properly, allowing air to leak in or out. This makes it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, causing your heating or cooling system to work harder and increasing your energy bills. You may notice drafts around the edges of the window or a cold spot near the window in the winter or a warm spot during the summer. If you feel the temperature inside your home fluctuating more than it should, it's time to consider replacing your windows with newer, more energy-efficient models. Condensation between window panes. If you've noticed condensation or moisture trapped between the panes of your double or triple glazed windows, it's a clear sign that the seal has failed. This moisture buildup is not only unsightly but can also be a sign that your windows are no longer providing the insulation they were designed to. When the seal breaks, air and moisture can enter between the panes of glass, reducing the window's energy efficiency and leading to potential mold growth or window frame damage. If the condensation persists, window replacement is the best solution to restore your home's insulation and prevent further damage. Difficulty opening and closing windows. If your windows are becoming difficult to open, close, or lock, this is another indicator that it might be time for a replacement. Over time, the hardware on windows can wear out, and the frames may become warped, making it harder to operate them. If your windows don't open or close smoothly, it can lead to frustration and compromise your home's ventilation and security. Windows that won't stay open or close completely are also a potential safety risk, as you won't be able to properly ventilate your home or escape in an emergency. If you find that your windows are no longer functioning as they should, it's time to replace them for both convenience and safety. Increased energy bills. Are your energy bills creeping up without any clear reason? It could be your windows. Older windows or windows that are improperly sealed can allow heat to escape in the winter or let hot air in during the summer. This forces your heating and cooling systems to work harder to keep your home at a comfortable temperature, leading to higher utility costs. By replacing outdated or inefficient windows with modern, energy-efficient windows, you can help lower your energy bills and reduce the strain on your HVAC system. Energy-efficient windows feature advanced technologies like double or triple glazing, low E glass, and gas-filled spaces that prevent energy loss and improve insulation. Visible damage or wear and tear. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause your windows to deteriorate. If your windows are showing cracks, chips, or rotting frames, they may no longer be providing the protection your home needs. Not only does this damage affect your home's appearance, but it can also compromise the security of your home. Wooden window frames, for example, can rot or warp if they are exposed to excessive moisture, while metal frames may rust. Cracked glass can be both an aesthetic and safety issue, especially if the cracks spread. If your windows are suffering from visible damage, replacing them will ensure both visual appeal and structural integrity. Noise infiltration. Do you notice more outside noise than you used to? If sounds from the street, neighbors, or other external sources are becoming more noticeable inside your home, it might be time for window replacement. Older windows, especially single-pane glass, offer little resistance to sound transmission, letting noise infiltrate your living space. Newer windows, particularly those with double or triple glazing, laminated glass, or specialized soundproofing materials, can help block out unwanted noise and create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. If you live in a noisy area of Redmond, upgrading to energy-efficient, soundproof windows can significantly improve your quality of life. Outdated aesthetic. Sometimes, the need for window replacement isn't driven by functionality but rather by aesthetic appeal. If your windows are outdated, mismatched, or no longer match your home's style, it may be time to replace them with more modern or energy-efficient models. New windows can instantly update the look of your home, enhance its curb appeal, and even increase its value. Whether you're looking to match your home's architectural style with the right window design or you simply want to improve the look of your home, window replacement can be an affordable and impactful way to elevate your home's exterior. Conclusion. If you've noticed any of these signs, drafts, moisture between the panes, difficulty operating windows, higher energy bills, visible damage, excessive noise, or simply outdated aesthetics, it's time to consider window replacement for your Redmond home. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows offers numerous benefits, including improved comfort, lower energy bills, enhanced security, and better curb appeal. Investing in new windows not only makes your home more beautiful but also helps protect it from the elements, save money on utility costs, and improve the overall quality of life for you and your family. Don't wait until your windows are beyond repair. Invest in window replacement today and enjoy the many advantages that come with this home improvement.